8, ano yung number 8?
First game, first match is Ateneo against UC or UAP. Season 4, top. Now Ateneo. Pass to Jackson, all alone, too strong. Rebound on Javier. Now Javier, looking for the point guard Rigalde. Malajos. Steal again by Sagon. Sagon to Busalpa. Nice intercepted by Rigalde. This is just our first game, first match for our UAP. Season 4. Busalpa, Jackson. Pass. Black by Javier. 10 to shoot, 10. Sagon. Drive, sidestep, pass. Still by Regalo. JD. It's 3-on-2. JD. Short. Now Sagon. In and out again. Malajos. To JD. Turnover by UE. It's 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Man on Busalpa. Tres na rep. Short. Now Busalpa again. Yes on Busalpa. 5-0. It's a 5-0 run by Ateneo. Javier. Too strong. Now Busalpa.
Malajos.
Again, in and out. Foul. Foul on Rigaldo. First on Rigaldo. First team foul against UC. Rigalde. It's 5 against 0. Now Sagon. Airfly on Sagon. Warning on number 12 on Jackson for delaying the game. It's 7 against 0. It's all Ateneo. Rigalde. Now Rockman. Nice fake. Rockman first shot. Yes on Rockman. Now 2 against 7. It's 5-point lead now Ateneo. De La Cruz. To Sagon. Sagon again. Side step to Jackson. Jackson open jump short. Rebound again by Sagon. Bang! What a shot coming from Primo. 9-2. 7-point lead Ateneo. Rigalde. JD. Back to Rigalde. Big. Rigalde again. Looking for JD. JD attempt. Too strong. Rebound by Primo. Still by Rigalde. Rigalde 40 to shoot. Rigalde goes to coast. Left-handed. Rigalde too strong. Rebound by Javier. Javier. Short block. Primo. Now Primo. Looking for Busalpa. Sagon pick. Sagon side step. Foul. Foul on the team captain. Malajos. Second team foul on UC. UE. Now 10 to shoot. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. And our official referee for today is referee Donnie and referee Apata na Sagon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sagon! 12-2. Now Malajos. Carried by Sagon, Malayos, foul. Foul on number 14 on Sagon. First on Sagon. First team foul against Ateneo. Now 3-12. It's 9-point lead on Ateneo. Short. Iba may primo. Now Busalpa, 1-1. Well, Busalpa. Nice defense on UE. Still we're live on the Facebook page. Ang basketballista, Rigalde. Malayos, favorite shot. Trial Josh, short. Iba may Busalpa. Busalpa, turnover again on Ateneo. Rigalde, hesitate, JD again. Oh, bang, bang, bang on JD. 6-12. Back to 6-point lead on Ateneo. Sagon. Pass outside, Busalpa. 14 against 6. It's 8-point lead back to Ateneo. Javier. Pass to Rockman, now still, now Sagon. Looking for Busalpa, turnover again. Oh, natin tayo. 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Extension wire doon sila. Extension wire pa, mahaba. Extension wire yan. Para abot. Yan.
Now Sagon, drive, foul. Time out. On UA. Foul on Malayos. Second personal foul against Malayos. Third on UE. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This is our first game for our UAAP. Season 4. Nice defense from Europe. Jackson, take. Oh, what a great defense on UE. It's 4 minutes and 10 seconds. It's 66 against 14. All by Ateneo. Now Rigalde. Pass to Javier. In and out. Rachman. Fake. Rachman side. Joe! On the move. By Rachman. Now 8 against 14. Foul. Foul on Rachman. Warning for penalty on UE.
Ilalim ma, ilalim.
10 to shoot.
Nahulog sa ilalim.
Block! 5 to shoot. Short. Javier. Foul. Nice defense on Javier. Foul on number 8. On De La Cruz. Second team foul, Ateneo. First on De La Cruz. Now Rigalde.
Rigalde.
Pass to Rushman. What a pass from Rigalde. Now 10-14. 4-point lead on Ateneo.
Ilalim ma, ang hulog sa ilalim ma, bantay.
Now Sagon.
Ang hulog sa ilalim, bantay.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sagod! 17 to 10. It's 3 minutes. Rigalde again. JD. Black. May busal pa. 15 to shoot. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Rigalde again. Rigalde. Alajos. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Top. JD. Short. Now, De La Cruz. 1 and 1. De La Cruz, 6 out. De La Cruz, side step. Foul. Foul on Javier. Penalty rep, penalty. Now 18 against 10. Two minutes and 25 seconds. Now 19 to 10. Back to 9-point lead. Ateneo.
Rak, i-screen. Bigay ka ng screen.
Now Rigalde. Steal by Busalpa. Busalpa goes to goal. Too strong. Rebound on Rushman. Ruckman. It's 5 on 3. Pass. Rigalde. Oh. Malajos. In and out.
Oh no.
Now Sagon.
Nice!
Steal by Rigalde. It's 3 on 1. Rigalde to Malajos. Malajos! In out. Rebound on Sagon. Sagon now. Guarded by Malajos. 1 minute and 32 seconds. It's Ateneo ball. Primo. Bang! On Primo. 21 against 10. Ruckman again. Ruckman. Foul.
7.
Foul on De La Cruz. 13 foul against Ateneo.
De La Cruz second.
Second personal foul on De La Cruz.
Ayun, Malajos.
Now Sagon. Short. Top. It's blue ball. 56 seconds. Then shoot. Foul.
Foul, nice.
Foul on number 12. On Jackson. Warning 14 on Sagon. Warning for penalty. On Ateneo. 42 seconds. Again, short. Rebound on De La Cruz. Top. Jackson. Sagon.
Oh! Salpa. Oh no.
20 seconds. 20 seconds, 20.
Jackson.
Bato!
JD. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Busalpa. 4 seconds. It's 21 against 10.
Ayun.
Foul offensive rebound. 4 seconds pa yan. Tawid pa tayo. Transition. Rebound, kick out.
Last free throw. 4 seconds, 4.
Box back. Outlet pass na. 8.
11 to 21, 10-point lead. Oh, stepping on the line, 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Ano ang makatingin ko? Yan. Ay,
And for first quarter, our score is 21-11. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Yui ball, Yui. It's Yui ball, Yui.
Valeriano, sabi ni Valeriano.
Oh, tangkin tayo. Para maganda sir, tangkin tayo.
Hindi kala,
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! It's 14 to 21. 7-point lead on natin tayo. Espino. Diala. Steal again on UA. Now baseball pass. Whoa! Regalde, it's 16. Against the 21, it's 5-point lead on natin tayo. Valeriano. Foul. Foul on Valeriano. On Regalde. First on Regalde. First team foul against UE.
Siyam lang kayo? Ba't bumalik si Rigalde?
Early entry. 6 minutes and 9 minutes and 10 seconds. 5-point lead on Ateneo. It's 21 against 16. Whoa! Blind pass. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Espino. Laparias. Now still again by Yui. Regalde. 1-1. Regalde pass. Big drive. Too strong. Short. Ipanon Laparias to Valeriano. Valeriano. Ska. Valeriano. Too strong. Short. Di ba Mediala? Foul on number 7 on Valeriano.
Dumog dong, dumog.
First on Valeriano. First team foul, Ateneo. Now, Regalde.
Dong, pwesto dong.
Si Jonah, baby.
Short. Diala. Yes, easy shot coming from Diala. It's 23 against 16. Steal again on Ateneo. Valeriano, coast to coast, tight set, Valeriano! It's 25-16, back to 9-point lead against Ateneo. Minores, Regalde. Save back, fake. Favorite shot, short. It's blue ball, blue, 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Pigilan nyo sa taas pa lang para ano.
Now, Santos. Espino, right? Santos. Attack. Too strong. Rebound by Diala. Escape Labaras. Stepping on the line. Turnover again on UE. Now is Pino. Looking for Diala. Back to Santos. Diala. Spino 10 to shoot. Diala. 5.
Nice. Shots up.
3 to shoot. 3 to shoot.
Tres.
3 to shoot.
Dito shoot ah.
Kuha tao.
Santos. Too strong. Rebound on UE.
Sit lang.
Now Minorias. Katrijan. Short. Santos. Now, yes on Labarias. Time out. On at UE. It's 27 to 16. 11-point lead now at Ateneo.
Catrijana. Rigaude. Not L. Rigaude.
And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's 27 against 16. First game, first match on our UAP Season 4 by Basketballista.
Ikot naman is pinang ang somebody would love you at Lavarian
Foul on number 4. Lavarias, 19.
per second.
Wala. Tagal ko na-uwi.
Then, Minorias. Catrijana. Bing.
Short. Black, may Beleriano. 10 to shoot.
Aywa.
Now, Diala. In and out. Labarias. Valeriano. Foul.
Dalawa lang bumababa.
Second team foul on UE. Foul on number 9. It's 5 minutes and 9 seconds, 27. Against 16. It's 11-point lead Ateneo. Now 28 to 16. Minorias.
Minorias.
Short. Tap. Valeriano.
Ay.
Wow, Labarias. Turnover on Ateneo. 28 against 16. It's 12-point lead. Ateneo. Short again. Diala. To Labarias.
Post to post.
Whoa! Labarias. 30 against 16. 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Post to post. Local. Aywa.
3-second violation on you is 4 minutes.
Sayang naman.
Valeriano. Again, Labayas. Still by Recalde. Diala. Foul. Oh! Basket count and 1-0-1 on Diala.
Wala, hindi kayo bumababa pagka nagkamali.
13 foul on UE.
Kilang.
Score mo.
32.
34.
Counted.
Nice shot.
Tingin ko sa akin.
35 to 16.
Hindi ala.
Pay. Yes, now 18 to 35. 17-point lead on Ateneo. Santos.
Mabilis na bola nila. Ay, naglalakad.
To Valeriano.
Okay, pizza lang, bawi lang. Tira.
Lamarias, 10 to shoot. Santos. Diala. Pay. Wow, traveling violation against Diala. It's 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 35 to 80. All by Ateneo. Rigalde.
Huwag mag-standby sa gitna para di matrisikan.
Short. Iba ng Valeriano. Lamarias, same spot. Yes! On Lamarias. 37-18. It's 19-point lead now, Ateneo. Minorias, 14 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 21 to 37, back to 16-point lead on Ateneo. Diala. Espino, pick, side step, Diala. Right foul. Foul on number 14. On UE. 24 penalty on UE.
74.
94 pala.
2 minutes and 6 seconds.
74 yun, di ba?
Now 38 to 21 in 17-point lead on Ateneo. Now Rigalde. Steal by Santos.
Ay, yeah.
1 minute and 50 seconds. Turnover on Ateneo. Rigalde. Top. Valeriano. Now Lamarias. Yes on Lamarias. 40 to 21. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Steal again by Santos.
Aywa.
Now Diala. Lamarias again. Lamarias. 42 to 21. It's 21-point lead on Ateneo. Short. Now Santos. Foul. Foul on number 74 on UE. Time out. On UE. Now UE and penalty. Shout out, shout out.
Sabi ko sa inyo.
1 minute and 2 seconds. Ateneo versus UE. And we'd like to thank our sponsors. Color Sports. Basketballista. Ateneo Blue Eagles and UE Warriors. And our next game, second match, it's LaSalle versus FU.
Oh no.
55 seconds. Rigalde, foul. Foul on number 1.
Diala.
On Diala, second team foul natin na yun. 50 seconds.
Minorians. Okay.
Dunk. Foul.
Hindi pa nag-count.
Foul again on Diala. Third team foul on Ateneo. Second personal foul. against Diala. Now 22 against 42, 20-point lead on Ateneo. 39 seconds.
7 Sarmiento.
Now 23 to 32, it's 19-point lead Ateneo. Spino. Too strong.
Hawak lang daw, hawak lang.
20 seconds.
Ya Allah.
15. Yes, Son Valeriano. 5 seconds. Basket count, it's 25 to 44. Still Ateneo lead by 19 points. Third quarter ready, third quarter.
So, plus 5 sila ha.
Sige, 10 kami.
Nang dumating? Sir. Si Richard. 10 sila, 10. Dumating.
Magpapasok. Huwag ka naman pala.
Ateneo ball, Ateneo.
Kawawa naman sila. Uy, kawawa naman daw. Daw. Ano to? Aba! MVP!
Nalo Marias. To Jackson. Steal. 14 to shoot, 14. Black. 10 to shoot. Steal. Now Malajos. Malajos. Again.
Balik na, Ray.
Santos yung 18, Santos.
Dalawa Santos.
Maluya kasi.
Dalawa Santos.
Santos, oo. Bilo Santos yung isa. Ay, Zara.
Busalma. Foul. Foul on 26. On UE. Our score, 25 against 44. It's all Ateneo.
Jackson.
Traveling violation. Nice defense against UE. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. JD. Skate. Too strong. Foul.
Ate na mula.
Foul on number 12 on Jackson. First team foul Ateneo.
Jackson second.
Second personal foul against Jackson. Again, minauti mo na Diyos. Nalo Varias. Foul. Foul on number 24. Now, second team foul on UE.
24, JD. JD.
Pangilan niyo.
JD first.
First personal foul on JD.
Aywa.
8 minutes and 16. It's UE ball. 44 against 225. Malajos, skate, steal, may busal pa. Malajos again. Drive, escape, Malajos, sa state road, Malajos, block by Jackson. Right man, short.
Transition pa, transition. Go.
Lamarias, Busalpa. Yes, time out. On UE, it's 46 against the 25. After the ball game, back to the ball game. Now Javier to Rushman.
Okay, diretso na.
Pass to Javier. Foul! Basket count and one by Javier. Foul on number 30. 8.
Santos.
Second team foul. Ano natin na yun? Foul. Foul on number 12 on Jackson.
Third on Jackson.
Third on Jackson. 13 foul natin na yun. It's 46 to 27.
Nice.
28 to 46. Now back to 18-point lead against Ateneo. Busalpa. Now Lamarias. Foul. Foul on Rushman. 13 foul on UE. Two free throw shot coming from Busalpa.
Second on Rutschman.
Second personal foul on Rushman. Six minutes and 30 seconds. Malajos. Xavier, 10 to shoot. Busalpa. Yes, on Busalpa is 48 to 28. Foul. All on number 8 on De La Cruz. Warning for penalty on Ateneo.
De La Cruz, third person.
Third personal foul against De La Cruz. Still agad tayo Busalpa.
Win.
Busalpa to Laveras. Back to Laveras, 3-second violation of Ateneo.
Putik na, hindi pa sinut eh.
Okay, tira.
Sipit na yung paa niya dyan eh.
Tap, rebound, Busalpa to Laveras. Sara, in and out, Jackson. In and out again. Now, wala Diyos. Again, in and out, JD. 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Now, Busalpa.
Pagod na si Busan pa.
40 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Busalpa. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Busalpa. Basket count and 1. Side on all, basket net count. Substitution rep sub. Basket net count. Rep penalty there, rep penalty. 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Javier. Again.
Dalawa kayo lagi natalon.
Santos. Malajos. Oh, you know, Sara. Tudiala. Sagon. Short. Top. Spino. Santos. Yes on Santos. 53 to 28. It's 25-point lead now against Ateneo. Yes, now 30. Against the 53. Nice shot coming from Sarmiento. 4 minutes. Spino. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Spino. 56 to 30. 26-point lead on Ateneo. Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malajos. Back to back. Tres. Sagon. Santos. It's a ball. 14 the set clock. 14. 3 minutes and 15.
Basahan. Wala ang basahan. Sa plastic nga doon. Wala ang basahan. Sa basahan pinapon.
Hindi ah. Meron yung black kagabi, di ba? Sa puso ko'y nag-iisa. 3 minutes. Santos. Yes! On Santos. 58 to 38. Bang! On Sarmiento. Espino. Foul. Foul on Sarmiento. Warning for penalty on UE. 2 free throw shot coming from Espino. 59 to 35. Rushman.
Kaya daw.
Sarmiento again. Oh! Sarmiento, now 37 to 59. 22-point lead on Ateneo. Santos. Sagun. Steve. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 26. Penalty na. Both teams now. And penalty. Time out. On UE. It's 2 minutes 8 seconds.
Ayun nakasalala yung ano.
Our next game will be LaSalle versus FU.
Wala yung admirer mo.
Two free throw shot coming from Sagun. Two minutes.
Magaling din po si Sam. Bata.
Now 16 to 37. Rigalde. Ratman drive, steal on Sara. Sara! All Ateneo have scored. Now Sarmento. Wow! Sarmento! 62 to 39. Rebound by Javier. Rushman. Turnover again on UE. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds for our third quarter. Still on Rigalde. Yes, on Rigalde. It's 41 to 62. Diala. Sagun. Bang! On Sagun. 40 seconds. Short. Javier again. Foul. Oh, basket count and one on Javier. Foul on number 1 on Diala. Third personal foul against Diala. Both teams and penalty. 28 seconds, 28.
Sagon.
Yes, on Sagon, 67. 20 seconds. Foul. 13. Foul on number 14. On Sagon.
Sagon, second.
Second personal foul against Sagon. Now 44, 67, 13 seconds. 10.
Ay, wow.
Yes, on Santos. And now for third quarter, score 69 against the 44. All by Ateneo. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. It's UE ball, UE. UE ball, UE.
Si Malagis, laro-laro lang naman sa kanya yun. Nakasip para hindi.
Minorias. Malajos. Short. Top. Nabusal pa. Foul.
Minorias.
Foul on number 25 on Minorias. First on UE.
First Minorias.
First personal foul against Minorias. Now 70 to 44. It's 26-point lead against Ateneo. $71 to 41. 44. Again, in and out. Rebound on Jackson. Busalpa. De La Cruz. Yes, on De La Cruz. 73-44. 9 minutes. Javier. Scoop. Short. It's Ateneo ball. Now De La Cruz. Valeriano. Busalpa, pick. Back to Valeriano. Primo. Nice pass. 3-second violation on De La Cruz. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Minorias. JD. Short. De La Cruz. Kadimay Malajos. Troubling violation, troubling. 8 minutes.
Nice up. Nice up.
Again, in and out. Rebound by Valeriano. Primo. Yes, all Primo. 75 to 44. All by Ateneo. JD, short. Jackson. In and out. Javier. Minorias. Fake. In and out. Valeriano. Time out on UE.
74 Vespucio.
It's 75-44. All Ateneo. 7 minutes. Fourth quarter. First game for our UAAP Season 4 by Basketballista. And our next game, second game, La Salle versus Ateneo. Back to the ball game. Seven minutes.
Dilaturi pa rin, dilaturi.
Ang Dilator. De La Cruz.
Busalpa. Short.
Dalawang De La Cruz.
It's red ball, UE ball.
May De La Cruz din na 8. May... Yung isa din ng Santos. Ay,
Minorias.
Santos lang pala.
Malajos, fake. Again, yun na, 3-1 on De La Cruz. Baseball pass to Primo. Yes, on Primo! 77-44. It's 34-point lead now, Ateneo. Foul on number 28 on Primo. Sub. Sub. JD, short. Fake, Minorias, Yoyo, foul. Foul on number 12, on Jackson. Second team foul at Ateneo. Fourth on Jackson.
Ang higpit ng ball.
Now 45 to 77.
player ako. Akala ko best player ako.
Kaya ako sa may dito.
Ayun.
Uli!
Catrujano!
Yes, now 47-77, 30-point lead on Ateneo. Yes, on Busalpa. Pass coming from Valeriano. 5 minutes. Then shoot. Yes, on Busalpa. 81 to 47. 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Kasi muna.
Jackson. Valeriano. Busalpa. Sagun. In and out again. 4 minutes. Now Sagun. 14 to shoot.
Ay, matawad siya Mike, ha?
Minoria. Yes. On timeout. On Ateneo, it's 49 against to 81. All by Ateneo. And our second game is LaSalle versus FU. Diala.
Ang dami score na.
Tuloy mo na si Richard.
Yes, on Diala.
Happy birthday! Mabon!
Valeriano. 3 minutes.
Valeriano.
Jason.
Busalpa.
Top. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Valeriano.
Valeriano.
Yes, on Valeriano. 85 to 49. Oh, one shot from Sarmiento. 51 to 85. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Sara. Yes, on Sara. 87-51. It's 2 minutes and 15.
Wala na talaga!
Yes, on Diala. 89 to 51. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, UE Warriors, and Ateneo Blue Eagles.
Oras na lang, oras!
Sara again. Oh, Sara! 91 to 51. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Santos.
Ayan na.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Santos.
Ganun talaga pag tinamaan.
Wala pang 10.
Ganun talaga yung kita ko.
De Los Santos yung isa.
14 to shoot. Still again by Santos.
Oras na lang, oras, oras!
Diala.
Aywa.
50 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, JD! 30 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, JD! 20 seconds. And now our game winner at Tanayo, it's 94 against the 50.